Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can download conversation or export files in Skype. So you need to go to secure.skype.com/data export, or just write in Google data export Skype, and you'll get on this site. And now request a copy of your files in chat history, get a copy of your Skype chat, submit request. Okay, and now it's going to have a request, and this is pretty much it how you do it. You'll have also this link down below in the description, so you can find it and click on it and just click conversation, submit request, and voila, you got it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.